Artificial intelligence, the future of technology. Artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as AI, has emerged as a revolutionary technology that is transforming the way we live and work. It is a rapidly growing field that involves the creation of intelligent machines that can learn, reason, and perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. The development of AI has already had a significant impact on industries such as healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and transportation. With its ability to process large amounts of data and perform complex tasks, AI is increasingly being used to automate processes, improve efficiency, and enhance decision-making. But AI is not just about automation and efficiency. It has the potential to transform entire industries and create new ones. For example, AI is being used to develop autonomous vehicles that have the potential to revolutionize transportation, as well as virtual assistants that can provide personalized customer service. The future of AI is vast, and the possibilities are endless. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more significant advancements in areas such as healthcare, education, and environmental sustainability. One of the most exciting developments in AI is the ability to create more human-like machines that can understand natural language, recognize faces, and even experience emotions. These advancements have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and make it more accessible and intuitive. However, the rise of AI has also raised concerns about the impact on jobs and society as a whole. As machines become increasingly intelligent and capable, there is a risk of automation leading to job losses in certain industries. It is essential to find ways to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equally and that the technology is used responsibly. Artificial intelligence is the future of technology, and its impact on society is likely to be profound. As the technology continues to evolve, it will become increasingly important to ensure that we use it in a way that benefits everyone and that we remain vigilant about its potential risks. With the right approach, AI has the potential to transform the world for the better, creating new opportunities and possibilities for all.